Hello and welcome to this new part of this endless runner tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn about spawning multiple obstacles in the game. In the Unity editor, what I will do is create another obstacle. I will just change the sprite or image of this obstacle, and I will completely unpack this prefab so that I can rename this obstacle to the new and drag it to the prefab folder. Now let's go back to our script and open it. In this script, what we are going to try is create multiple list of obstacles to spawn in the game area. So for it first, what I'm going to do is give some braces to this game object obstacles, and I will create a counter for it, that is obstacle count. In the spawn function, obstacle count will run randomly from the first two elements of the game object obstacles, and I will pass this obstacle count variable to the game object obstacle list. What this does is it will create a multiple copy of obstacles in the game. So let's save the script and go back to the Unity editor. In the Unity editor, I will go to this obstacle spawner and change the size to 2, and I will drag these prefabs into element 0 and element 1 simultaneously. Let's run this game and you can see the prefab is running. Yes, so this script is working now. So hope you like this part.